It is absolutely possible to pass the AZ-900 certification and start your journey into cloud. Not that cloud. Cloud computing, of course. Your journey into one of the highest paying tech spaces starts here. As a cloud security architect, I have completed numerous cloud security certifications. And in this video, I'm going to share with you everything that is required for you to pass the AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification in less than 1 week. The AZ-900 is the perfect entry point into the Azure world, cloud computing, and of course, cloud security. The AZ-900 is the very popular Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification, and it's designed to test your knowledge about all of the Azure services and the basic cloud concepts. Now, this is an entry-level certification, and it is designed for people with really zero or very little experience in cloud computing. And yes, it is absolutely possible for you to take the certification and pass it in less than a week. Now, the exam covers multiple topics related to Azure, and these topics include cloud concepts, Azure services, security, privacy, compliance, and pricing. The exam format is multiple choice questions, and the passing mark or the passing score is 700 out of 1,000. Now, to really give you the value of what you need to prepare for when preparing for this certification, let's look at some of the core domains and core topics in depth. This domain covers the core fundamentals of cloud computing, including cloud concepts, deployment models, and key characteristics of overall cloud computing. Now, the Azure core services cover concepts like compute, databases, networking, storage, and some of the core services that exist on the Azure platform. Security, privacy, compliance, and trust, as you can guess, covers all of the security components on the platform, including privacy components and data security. And finally, the pricing and support domains cover the Azure pricing components, cost management tools, and the Azure support plans. Now, how do you actually study for the exam? And this one, you really don't have to overthink. Even if you're a complete beginner, just go for it. Because the AZ-900 is a fundamental certification, you don't require hands-on experience on the platform, but of course, as always, when it comes to Azure, I do recommend it. You can simply go to portal.azure.com and you can create a free account or a test account. There are multiple options here, but it's really good to get an overview just of what the platform looks like while you are preparing for the AZ-900 certification. Now, let's move on to some of the core concepts that you should get visibility of before taking the exam. Firstly, I would say you should know what Azure subscriptions are, what it looks like, how to navigate your way around the portal, where some of these services are, just how they look, how they fit in, and kind of the overall structure of the Azure platform. Second big tip is that if at all possible, get visibility into PowerShell and the use of PowerShell into the cloud environment. The AZ-900 is theoretical, but there are often questions around commandlets and different PowerShell options that you would use to enable things or list services or deploy certain services into the cloud. Nothing hands-on, not too deep, just theoretical, but if you can get insight into what it looks like to work with PowerShell into Azure, that would be a great benefit. Now, finally, let's look at some of the key resources for you to prioritize when preparing for the AZ-900. First up, we're going to look at Microsoft Learn and Microsoft Documents. Very comprehensive, free learning paths on basically all of the Microsoft certifications is on Microsoft Learn. Highly recommend. There are multiple links. I will include them all in the description box below. Next up, we have Tim Werner's course here on YouTube. This is a really comprehensive course for AZ-900. There's actually well over, or there might be around 60 videos. It's all bite-sized content covering the entire AZ-900 and everything you need to know around AZ-900. So definitely check that out. It's really helpful and really comprehensive. Now, for a more structured learning path, and this is also paid training, so it's completely optional. Definitely don't require it, but it's optional if you're a person who requires a more structured learning path. Definitely check out, there's two platforms that I recommend here, a Cloud Guru or Cloud Academy. Both of these platforms I have found really has great content, a good learning path for AZ-900, and they also have some questions to test your knowledge. And of course, once you have completed the majority of your learning journey right before the exam, I would suggest that you do a recap with the AZ-900 Study Cram by John Seville here on YouTube. John Seville's channel is just so helpful when it comes to Azure. I mention it in most of my cloud security videos, so you can definitely go and check it out. Everything is linked down below, as I mentioned earlier. And finally, here's your bonus tip. Practice tests are your friend. I really recommend the free practice test option by WizLabs. The questions I have found is quite accurate to the exam, so I think it will really help you out. And practice tests are just a good way to determine where you are in your level of knowledge right before taking the certification exam. Alright friends, there you have it. This is the first of many certifications into your cloud computing journey. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more cybersecurity content. Next up, you should definitely watch this video over here where I share my experience with passing the Microsoft Security Operations Analyst certification. Catch you next time. Bye.